In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a client sub-account in GoHighLevel. We'll walk through the process from inside your agency dashboard, so you can confidently set up new clients and get them ready to use your systems and automations. First, log into your GoHighLevel agency account and head over to your agency launchpad. This is essentially your command center, where you manage all your locations and client accounts. Take a moment to make sure you're in the agency view, not inside an existing sub-account, so you see the correct options. Once you're on the launchpad, look for the section or menu item labeled Sub-Accounts. Click on that. This is where all of your existing client locations live and where you'll create new ones. Think of each sub-account as its own workspace, with its own pipelines, automations, and settings, completely separate from your other clients. Inside the sub-accounts area, find and click the button that says Create Sub-Account. This tells GoHighLevel that you want to spin up a brand new client workspace. When you click it, you'll be taken to a screen where you choose how that new account is going to be structured. Here, you'll see one or more snapshots available. A snapshot is basically a pre-built template of funnels, workflows, pipelines, and settings that you can load into the new client account. If you have standard setups you use for clients, this is where they live. Find the snapshot you want to use for this client, then click Select and Continue on that snapshot. If you're not sure which snapshot to pick, choose the one closest to the service you're providing, because it will save you a lot of setup time later. Next, on the following screen, choose the option to Add Manually. This means you're going to type in the client's details yourself, rather than pulling them in from another source. This gives you full control and helps make sure everything is accurate from the start. You'll now be on the Add Sub-Account page. Here, carefully fill in the client information: first name, last name, email, business name, business niche, business phone, full address including city, state, country, and zip or postal code, their website, and the correct time zone. Pay special attention to the email and time zone fields. The email will be used for client access and notifications, and the time zone is critical for scheduling, calendars, and automations to run at the right local time. Once you've double-checked all the details and everything looks correct, scroll down and click on Add Sub-Account. GoHighLevel will create the new client workspace using the snapshot you selected. After a moment, your new sub-account will be ready, and you can jump in to customize it, connect